We would like to confirm categorically that as of 6 o'clock p.m. last night, there's been no arrest for Senator Bato. Okay? There's been a lot of speculation na huli siya and it's being whisked away to the Hague. Hindi po totoo yan. Nag-coordinate na po kami sa DOJ, nag-coordinate ng DOJ, lahat ng law enforcement units. Senator Bato is still being hunted now. Just to be clear.
At kung sakali namang ma-rescue na talaga, wala naman siguro reason pa para itago-tago, mga
Of course, we're always open. Always transparent naman.
hindi in the dark yung ano.
No, hindi kami ganun. Wala kaming secret operations na hindi malalaman ng mga tao. We're always transparent with them.
Anong sinabi sir ni Senator Lacson na
All the proper channels, all the proper messages galing namin according to the